Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add PDF in Google Docs. Open Google Docs, then click on the icon Documents Home. Now from the menu, select the option Drive. Then click on New and select the File Upload option. Here you will select the PDF document. Then click on Open and wait for it to be uploaded to Drive. When it is uploaded, refresh the page to see it available. After that, select the PDF file and click on the copy link icon. Then open your Google Docs document, right-click somewhere and choose Paste. You will see the link. Press the Tab key to see the name of the PDF file. You can click on the file to access a preview of it, and thus you will have added a PDF to your Google Docs document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.